Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Valorant and you keep getting this problem, incompatible software component detected, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to go on to this location. So I'm going to go to that location now. It's in your C drive, Windows, System 32, and then drivers. And here you're going to search for that file ene.sys. Here it is. Now either you're going to delete this file, or what you're going to do is you're going to rename this file and add a .old at the end of it. So like this. Don't worry, this file is not important. It controls RGB on your computer. It's not an important file. So either rename it to ene.sys.old or just delete that file altogether. And after that, now you can restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Valorant, you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that incompatible software component detected. So there it is guys. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.